Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 3 of programming JavaScript, running your first JavaScript. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application which is Sublime Text. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for Sublime Text, and then open this up. And now we can Command S to save. Go to Documents, My YouTube channel, Tutorials, create a new folder called JavaScript, go into that folder and now save as index.html. Save yes. So now we have saved the text file as index.html, and now we're ready to run the first JavaScript. So we can start the programming, less than, exclamation mark, doc type in capitals, HTML, go to a new line, HTML, less than slash autofill HTML, insert the body, within the body we can now bring in the JavaScript. Bring in a heading. JavaScript tutorial, go to a new line, insert a paragraph, less than p, ID equals demo, and now insert something that will be visible on screen. So we can say JavaScript can change content. And with the p tags, go to a new line, insert a button, type equals button, on click equals document dot get element by ID. Within the parentheses we need the demo, which we inserted on top before this line of code we are writing now. Dot inner HTML equals something like hello JavaScript. Within speech marks. And then at the end we can have a button called click me. Command S to say. So now we have on screen the first official JavaScript. One of many JavaScript HTML methods is get element by ID. Every time you see JavaScript, we will always have the elements and the methods get element by ID. In this example on screen, we are using the method to find a HTML element with ID equals demo and change the element content in a HTML to hello JavaScript. So we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube channel, Tutorials, JavaScript, go to index.html, right click, open with Safari, decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder for the moment, decrease the size of Sublime Text so we can then see both windows at the same time and work on them concurrently. So go to the web browser, Once we click on the button, it now changes to Hello JavaScript. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.